Wow, welcome back. It is very windy, and if I sound sick, I have a stuffy nose, and that's it. I'll have... Lights aren't on. Fuck. Yeah, like, it's really windy outside. Jesus Christ. Not even a minute in, and it's already fucking windy. But by the title of this video, you can tell that we're just doing chores, like, again, and part 2 to the farm tour. I didn't want to put it on one video. I thought I'd, do it differently and like that, so. Anyways. Yeah. So today for the farm tour, we're just gonna do the fuck. We're gonna do. We're just gonna do. We're just gonna do the north yard, and I'll go in a little bit more depth of like what's going on with our planter. We have 3 chopper boxes because we only had 2 before, as you'll see down in the north yard. But we need 3, so there's 2 ready. One's being put in and one's being loaded. That way there's always one ready no matter what. So, yeah, so. Boom. I got my gloves. They're so holy shit. They're cold. So if it does sound a little windy through the the speaker, well, it's because it's windy. Local Farms, Big Butchers. What's your short? So yeah, it's very windy today. I could barely get that door shut there for a second. Okay. So this is the sensor part I was talking about yesterday. That's just when the seed is running low, it'll go through the hydraulic hoses and go up to my dad's tractor saying, hey, this box is running low on seed, you need to fill it. Well, one of the sensors is being very dumb, and it's just going off whenever it wants to. So, yeah. Alright, so we got my dad's hay vine. So it's going to be a Discbine 411 New Holland. We got 2 of those. We got a chopper, all this international. We got 2 wagons right here. Sorry, we got 2 of our chopper boxes. Okay, 2 wagons. Lower. We're planning on buying a new one. Do I know why? Not exactly no. But we need a new one because that's only a 2-row. And I think we were looking at one that had a 3-row header for corn. I could be entirely wrong. So yeah. That just tells you how windy it is. So yeah, holy shit, it's windy out. So yeah. We run 30 head of cattle, 2 Angus bulls. We're a beef farm based in northern Iowa. Yeah, northern Iowa. Not that small. I don't know how many acres we run. I don't think it's much though. Not many acres, which is fine with me. I don't care. But as we grow, you know, you expand, you buy, like, you know, newer equipment, shit like that. So, gloves on, it's hard to set up my phone. Sorry, guys. And if y'all don't like my content, dislike it. You don't have to like it all the time. Oh wait, no one likes my damn videos. I don't care. Dumbass. Moo. Here's my dead calf, sadly. Well, sadly, we lost one, but that's part of farming. So, I'm gonna go a little more in depth about the 1066. Okay, I'm gonna hop up in it first, though. Fuck the thing right there. So, we got this not too long ago. Our only higher horsepower tractor is the 806. This got, I don't know, 1,000, no, not 1,000. I don't know how much horsepower this is. But we got it so you could run something with a cab during tillage, I think. So, that's one of the reasons, and it goes good with the chopper. Because it's got a little that. Just mounted something right there and just got all the cords. I like it. A little spacious. You know, get something. Hell. A little tillage and just put a camera back here and how does that look? A little dirty, but hell, it's better than running on a no-cab tractor. I swear we're harboring cocaine. Because all of this is fucking white. Not really, YouTube. Don't demonetize me because I said that. Hell, Ryan Upchurch smokes weed and you don't fucking see him getting demonetized. And I'm not lying. If you wanna see him smoking weed, because he does. does indeed smoke weed. Feed's going in right now. If you want to see someone who posts daily and that has really good content, go check out the 10th Generation Dairy Farmer. He goes through everything he does. He had he added a new tractor to his equipment thing, or he got a new tractor for every. Jesus Christ, it's windy as hell. So yeah. So yeah. Oh, shut up, you're fine. So yeah. He posts daily about like dairy farming and shit, so kind of in his name, but you know. There. You gotta give props to the radio, 'cause if you know me, I was raised on country. You fuck. Boy was about to kick me. Getting stuck with shit. Boom. They are fed. I don't know why my video is like that. Doors have been locked, so no. It's good there. 14 minutes. I'm trying to get to the shorter videos. I'm not trying to post really long ones. I'm sorry, guys. But I do have something for ya. If we reach 20 subscribers by, I don't know. Just say if we can reach 20 subscribers by the end of the week, but that's tomorrow. But, I'm still gonna do the surprise. But we're going up to Galena, Illinois for my birthday party. So I'm planning on posting something like a cool. I can just phone, put it up somewhere, grab my waterproof case I have. Film that. But you know, who knows? Well, great talking to you guys. I hope you liked the second part of this. Not much to it. A little more content during the summer. Right now, I don't have content because, well, not much exciting things going on. Not that anything exciting is going on, but there is some exciting stuff. But you know, whatever. Well, boys and girls. I don't know how many girls working on it, so. Well, boys. Peace out. Subscribe to my channel if you want to. There will be videos this weekend no matter what. See you guys.